Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Motor Vibe _110. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Hiriko City Car, a compact, fully electric, and ultra-efficient vehicle that's redefining urban transportation. Let's take a closer look. 1. Design and compactness. The first thing you'll notice about the Hiriko is its size. At just 2.5 meters long, it's designed to fit into the tightest parking spaces. But here's the real game changer, the Hiriko folds. Yes, this car literally folds to reduce its footprint even further, making it perfect for crowded cities. With the push of a button, the rear of the car slides forward, reducing its length by 40%. This means you can park 3 Hiriko cars in the space of one traditional vehicle. 2. Electric powertrain. The Hiriko is fully electric, powered by a state-of-the-art battery pack that offers a range of up to 120 kilometers on a single charge. Perfect for daily commutes and errands. It charges in just 4 hours using a standard outlet, and with regenerative braking technology, it maximizes efficiency by recovering energy while you drive. 3. Innovative features. Inside, the Hiriko is as futuristic as it gets. There's no traditional steering wheel, instead, you control the car with a joystick. The minimalist dashboard features a high-resolution touchscreen that integrates navigation, media, and climate control. And check this out, the entire front of the car opens up to let you in and out. No more worrying about tight parking spaces. 4. Sustainability and urban impact. The Hiriko isn't just a car, it's a solution to urban challenges. With zero emissions, it's environmentally friendly. Its compact design reduces congestion, and its innovative approach to parking can free up valuable urban space. Cities around the world are already exploring how fleets of Hiriko cars can be integrated into car-sharing programs, making transportation more accessible and sustainable. 5. Pricing and availability. So, what's the cost of this futuristic ride? The 2025 Hiriko City Car starts at $16,000, making it an affordable option for urban dwellers. Pre-orders are open now, with deliveries starting later this year. Closing. The 2025 Hiriko City Car is more than just a vehicle, it's a glimpse into the future of urban living. Compact, efficient, and sustainable, it's the perfect companion for city life. What do you think about the Hiriko City Car? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews of cutting-edge tech and vehicles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.